Alright everyone, so I'm back. I know I have not made a video in quite some time, but I'm really, the rest of this year, really going to put a lot of great information on this channel. So if you have not subscribed yet and you're watching this, please do that, because I'm going to be rolling out a lot of stuff and talking about a lot of stuff that's going to help you if you are in online network marketing. But for this video, a lot of people ask me all the time, hey James, I haven't heard from you in a while, I hadn't seen the video from you in a while. What's going on? What you doing? Is this really still working for you? People think that like if you don't put out something every second, then an opportunity is not working for you. That's not true. Okay, you guys have really kind of seen the massive numbers that I've done and how well I've done with this, and it's something you can just kind of, if you know what you're doing, you can do it all the time, and I've been doing this for 6 long years now. Okay, so let me just show you another example of just one day. Okay, now I've got a lot of this blocked out because there's a lot of private. This is some private emails and stuff, but just showing you the top sort of what's just happened here on this day recently. We've got $100 payment, 3 $50 payments, and 2 $25 payments. That comes out to $100, $250, $300 day just from this time frame right here. $300+ a day averaging right here with this still working incredibly well. What I mainly do, and that's why you guys don't hear from me all the time, I'm mainly training. I communicate with all my members through this training site, and I'm really updating stuff just about every week and putting new stuff in here to help my members as much as possible. Okay, so that's why I'm not rolling out proof videos all the time and all that. I don't have to anymore. I've got such a big organization. I really don't have to do that, but I do know that my videos, from what you guys have told me, really kind of help and inspire. So I'm really going to be giving back to you guys in a big way and just really answering a lot of great questions from a lot of you that you've asked me and talking about, the real reality and truth of this industry. But I just really wanted to show you, yeah, this is working great for me. It always has. It's a very wonderful, stable opportunity. If you're one of these people out here that has not had big success yet, and you're jumping from opportunity, I really think you should look into this and what it does. And I have some links down in the description as well. You can go and read all about this opportunity. And I've designed some really high converting funnels you can plug into and use, and you can see that on my other videos as well. But yes, I am back, and I'm about to roll out a bunch of great videos for you guys. So please subscribe. Email me with any questions. You can go to my website. I'm a real person. You can contact me. You can call me. I'm a real person, and I will get back in touch with you. Thanks a lot, guys, and stay tuned.